Oh, strike. 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 I have here the KastKing Sharky 3. I got this from Lazada in the Philippines when my wife went home last month. So let's unbox it. This is a KastKing Sharky 3 from the spin category. So to be honest, I chose this reel because of its design. I love the colors, black and red. I'm so attracted to it. I read some positive reviews in the internet. I haven't read any bad reviews, so I think this is worth your money. This is an American brand. Okay, so look at the design. I love it. Black and red. Fish on. So I'm comfortable with reeling using my right hand, so I'm gonna transfer it here. The Sharky 3 comes with different sizes: 1000, 2000, 2500, which I have now, 3000, 4000 and 5000 series. Among the other sizes, this is the only one unique, because the other sizes, they all have 15 kilograms of maximum drag, while this badass here only comes with 8 kilograms. So I don't know why they put it that way. I don't exactly know the reason, but somehow they cut the maximum drag into half. But when it comes to gear ratio, the other sizes, they come with 5.2:1, while this 2500 series comes with 6.2:1. What I understand with the gear ratio is the bigger the gear ratio, the faster the reel. So I think that's good news. I bought this one for my light setup. I hope I got worth my money. Okay, so let's see what's inside the box. Okay, I got here some stickers. A KastKing logo in orange. This is the user manual. Okay, so I'm not gonna read all of this in this video. Okay, so KastKing Sharky 3 2500 spinning reel. So these are the parts. I'm not gonna read it one by one. So earn one. Okay, so this is just, I don't know. Mm. I'll set this aside because I have here my Assassin Edge 2 fishing rod. This is the rod that I'm going to pair with my Sharky 3. This is a light setup. Okay, so I have here the specs. Power, it says here medium, but the lure weight is 7 grams to 14 grams, so I guess it's still a light setup. Line rating is 6 pounds up to 6 to 10 pounds. So I'm going to put these two to the test. Hopefully I'll land bigger fishes with this setup. Strike. 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 Oops. Dapa na naman. So it's another flathead. I'm gonna release this one. So this is the second flathead I got today. This is second flathead. So I'm gonna release this one. I unlocked my GT, my first GT today. Baka nga GT yun sa'yo, Brad. Sabagay, tumalon, no? Lumundag eh.
Check. Ah, sasko. Kuha na pod. Kaning
Lapad ba?
basta klaro kayo kay kanang mubigay dayon. Pangatlo na. Katulo na.